all my lovely students of class 8. I am Sir Dishan over here in front of you teaching you computer, and today it's my lecture number 7, and the topic is conversion of hexa into binary. I am writing the questions over there, and some questions already have been solved by me in lecture number 6, and I gave you homework. So I hope now it's easy for you and you understand all these things. So let me start the rest of the questions. Today I will solve 3 questions, and after solving these 3 questions, your chapter number 1 will be completed. And it doesn't matter if you do not understand any question, write me your comments, and I will solve the question on board again and again. That's not a big problem, but there is a problem. If I give you homework, do your homework properly, so everything will be easy for you. Now I am starting solving these questions, so pay your full attention on the board. Convert A, B, C, hexa, power 16 means hexa, into binary. Solution. 2 steps. Step number 1, hexa into decimal, and you will write A, B, C. Put the powers. C 0, B 1, A 2. Now start solving. So A multiply by 16 power 2. Why multiply by 16? I told you many times. The reason is that base power of hexa is 16. That's why we will multiply it by 16. So number 1, A multiply by 16 power 2 plus B multiply by 16 power 1 plus C multiply by 16 power 0. I hope you understand that. Now, next, A. Instead of A, I will write 10. Understand? Why? Because in hexa, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 11. I am writing it over here now again. Okay, understand? So we have done this thing. A means 10 multiply by square of 16. Square of 16 means 16 power 2 means 16 multiplied by 16. So the answer is 256. 256 plus B. Instead of B, I will write 11. Why? In hexa, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 11. 11 multiplied by 16 power 1 is equal to 16 plus C. C is equal to 12. So instead of writing C, I will write 12 multiplied by 16 power 0 is equal to 1. Understand what I am saying? Sixteen power 0 is equal to 1. So it will be 10 multiplied by 256 plus 11 multiplied by 16 plus 12 multiplied by 1. Now multiply it. This thing 256 multiplied by 10 will be 2560. Understand? Plus 11 multiplied by 16, 176 plus 12 multiplied by 1 is equal to 12. Add all these three things. Add all of them. Answer will be 2748. Concentrate upon this thing. Check it again and again. All right. Step number 2. Decimal into binary. We have this decimal number over here. 2748. Make its binary. See? So, make its binary. 2748 divided by 2. The answer is that left 0. Again divide by 2. This is the answer, left 0. In the same way, do this thing and you will get the answer 101. Why? Because this is MSB, most significant bit, and that is LSB, least significant bit. We start writing from MSB to LSB. So 2748 is equal to 101010111100. It means ABC hexa is equal to this thing. This is your answer. That's your answer. That's your answer. I believe you understand this thing. In the same way, in the light of this question, have a look at P28 hexa. Convert it into binary. Step number 1, hexa into decimal. Now I believe you can do that. Write it over here, B28, B28 8. Power. 0 power. 1 power. 2 power. P multiply by 16 power 2 plus 2 multiply by 16 power 1 plus 8 multiply by 16 power 0. Can you calculate that? Why not? You can do that. B. Instead of B, I wrote 11 multiply by 16 multiply by 16. Look over here. This thing. 256 plus 2 multiply by 16 power 1. 16 plus 8 multiply by 16 power 0 is equal to 1. Look at here. 16 power 0 is equal to 1. Any digit power 0 equal to 1. Now, its answer will be 2816 plus 32 plus 8. Add these three things. So, answer will be 2856. Understand? Now, step number 2. We have this decimal number over here. Convert decimal into binary. You see this thing? Have a look. Have a look. I am giving you few seconds. I am giving you few seconds. Concentrate upon this thing. 2856 divided by 2. This is the answer. Left 0. Again divide by 2. This is the answer. Left 0. Again by 2. This is the answer. Left 0. In the same way. In the same way. The answer will be 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 0. I wrote the answer over here. It means hexa B28 is equal to binary 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 answer. Do you understand? I hope you understand. So, I am coming on the last question of chapter number 1. After doing that question, your chapter 1 will be finished, inshallah. Okay? So, I am turning the camera on that question. Have a look. Now, last question. Convert F02 hexa into binary. See, power 16 means hexa. Convert F02 hexa into binary. Step 1, hexa into decimal. Write the number. I am writing the number now. F02. Write the powers. Power 0, power 1, power 2. Start calculation. F multiply by 16 power 2 plus 0 multiply by 16 power 1 plus 2 multiply by 16 power 0. Instead of F, I will add 15. Understand? So 15 multiplied by 16 into 16, 256 plus 0 multiply by 16 power 1 plus 2 multiply by 16 power 0 means 1. So it will be 2 into 1. Now 256 multiply it by 15, answer will be 3840. You understand or not? Should I do it? I think I don't need to do it. You should understand what I'm saying. You remember what I'm insisting you? I'm saying you learn all the tables from 2 to 20. Understand? If you don't learn the tables, you cannot do this question. Okay, so 15 multiplied by 256, answer 3840 plus 0 multiplied by 16, answer will be 0 plus 2 multiplied by 1, answer will be 2. Add all these three things, answer will be 3842. Step 2, decimal into binary. I am writing the decimal number over here, divided by 2. I am giving you few seconds to look at this thing. I am giving you few seconds. Have a look. This thing in the circle. You see in the circle. See this thing. Try to understand. Okay. 3842 divided by 2. Answer will be 1921. Left 0. Now this thing divided by 2. Answer will be 960. 960. And left 1. In the same way, do this thing. I believe I don't need to tell you or dictate you all these things. So answer will be MSB, LSB. Answer, you will write answer from over here, 1, 1, 1, 1. So F02 hexa, F02 hexa is equal to, have a look, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. This thing is over here. This is the answer. Check it now. Check it now. So, all my lovely students, chapter 1 of your book is completed now. I have done all the questions on the board. You must learn it. Do you have any problem? If you have any problem, let me know. My promise, I will solve those questions again and again which you do not understand. So let me say, I am very happy to announce that chapter 1 of your book Computer Class 8 is finished now. Inshallah, we shall start chapter number 2 in lecture number 8. Okay? So, all of you, goodbye.